Hello teacher, hello to everybody. Today have the good day and meeting with me, learning about database and actual. Okay, let's start about the lesson. Lesson objective. The lesson I mean to provide the function standard in or the database and the actual employee. They are the purpose used and cipher if data management. And one introduction to database. A database is the original to collection or database that the faculty affect a strong relationship and measurement for information. Database are effective for application and system because they extract data to allow easy account, modifying and processing and complementary to database. Relationship database strong data table with the row and column and use structure for quick learn with actual for mega database. The example we have the my actual line and actual to and post actual. Okay, let's speak database already can go to actual. About the introduction to actual. The actual is the standard language for accounting and modifier for database. And what is actual? The actual is the central center for struct language. The actual led for account and modify database. The actual become a stand for the America Northwest standard in Saturday NFI in 1986 and other international the original the standard IFO in 1987. And what is actual can do? The actual usually use about the install, update, delete and drop and make new draw. Okay, that's all. You can go about the field with the data structure. We have to find field, record and field and DB. About field, a field is caution for character by text. And about the record caution or the multiple record. And about the field caution or the multiple record. And about the DB, the structure collection or the modified field table that is strong and the measurement release information equality. And about question 9 define the relationship between two effects table in relationship database. The quality return spec field, how many instance for the one entity can be accounted with the instance for other intern the Goldman trip or country are one-to-one to record in data account with the employee want to record in the B. For example, if employee have only one address about the two one to many one to record in the table A can be accounted with the modified record table B. But it record in table B in line to only one record table A. For example, one drugman can have the many employer, but each employer belong to one drugman. About the three, many to many employee to record in table A can be executed with the on one record in the database. The example, many employees can share the same manager. And about the 4, many to many employee to record in the database can be accounted with the modified record in data in table B. So often appointment with A caution table. An example, student how to enroll in many caution and each caution can help only student. Okay, about the data set about the already you can start and about the data web design process. In the data by design, we have the three design. We have the conceptual design, logical design, uh, um, and physical design. In the conceptual design, when interview use collection data, interfield helping from data field, and use EOR model, interrelationship model, and EOR diagram. About the tool logical design, we have the map EOE model to relationship table, and more matrices to read it and reduction and import data in the table. About the three physical design, use actual data web set call to constant refill data dictionary. And about the data web design, data web is the constant for motion field. A field reason to a table correspond to data original or the relationship. About the multiple role, one-to-one is the primary key or called PK, and from one to table become foreign key in the other table. About the one-to-one is the PK, from table side become FK, one-to-many side, and many-to-many continue the relationship table in the between is the PK causal or the multiple attributes in the become a process key CK or in the relationship. In an attribute how the multiple was caption of the new relationship how the attribute solely. And about key concept, interview type, reason table and relationship or field and in database. Interview field or the column in the table. And about the multiple roles interview, the strong multiple port or from the single interview, e.g. or phone and number of skill. And the single role interview, that the whole only one from the triple in interview entity or the second salary. And the divide interview that is not strong but to collect the grade from the OB or next salary. And composite interview can be divided into the small part or EIG full name. And quality ratio is one to many, many to many, and one to one. And about the primary key that the import in the field or the record in the table. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening and thank you for attending.